Hi everyone, I've been painting today, so I thought I'd talk you through it. And let's talk about what you need so you have the vocabulary if you're ever going to be painting inside your house or outside. I love doing DIY stuff, and anything that I can do myself, do it yourself, and renovate myself, it's one of my favorite things. Perhaps I should have been working in renovation or construction instead of teaching. So first of all, what I had to do was get together all the things that I needed. And I needed a paintbrush, and because I was painting walls, I needed a roller as well. And a roller comes with a tray. I don't know how you buy it where you are, but here when you buy it, you can get a tray and a roller together. We need the tray, and then we put the paint into the tray so that we can then get the roller wet and get the paint onto the roller so that we can paint the walls. So what I've learned over time through trial and error is that when you're using a roller, you need to work slowly. If you go too fast, the paint flicks all over you and you end up with it on your arms, your hands. I've had it in my hair, on my face. It gets everywhere. So if you're working with a roller, do it slowly. Do it methodically so that you can stay a bit cleaner. Alright, what else did I need? I also needed a ladder because some of the walls are high, so I needed a ladder so that I could get up to the level where I needed to reach. And I needed a cloth. This is just to wipe up any messes that I might make, because no matter how careful you are, you always seem to drip paint. So I was pretty much organized then. I had my paintbrush, my roller, my ladder, my cloth for the accidents, and what I then needed was the paint. So I have a big bucket of paint. I bought a 20-liter bucket because it's cheaper if you buy in bulk. And as I'm doing the whole house, I'm going to need 20 liters. If you buy a smaller tin, maybe a 5-liter tin, it can be easier to use, yes, definitely, but I like the fact that you get more paint in a big 20-liter bucket. So then I had to get the lid off of the paint first of all and pour some of the paint into my tray so that I could use it with the roller. This part is now the fun part. So when everything is organized and now I'm ready to start painting, then I'm very happy. So what I was just using was white paint. I like white on the walls. It's nice and clean and bright, and it reflects a lot of the light from outside so that it makes the house look brighter and more cheerful and happy. So I painted the room. I was doing my son's room today. So I've done his room now, and it's had a very good clean. I got into all the corners, all the nooks, and got out every little bit of dust that I miss when I clean. So everything now is looking beautiful and sparkling and white and smelling good. I like the smell of paint. I know people say you shouldn't smell it. I did have the windows open, but it is a nice clean smell, I find. And then once I was finished everything, then my least favorite job is what comes next. So then I have to clean the brush and I have to clean the roller. I must admit I don't clean the tray. I reuse that as it is. But I clean the brush and the roller so that I can reuse them next time. Especially if I'm using the same color paint. It doesn't make sense to buy a new brush and a new roller every time. I'm all about saving the planet as well. We must reuse things. So I give them a good clean, and then I take them outside and I put them in the sun to dry. So here now, it's winter, so it is cold where I am, but there is sun, so it will work great drying everything outside. So let me know, what are your favorite projects to do? Do you like DIY like I do and renovating? I am happiest when I have a paintbrush. I must admit. Do you have something like that you do? Let me know about it in the comments. I would love to hear a bit more about you and get to know you as well. So I hope that you've found this interesting today and have enjoyed hearing a little bit about my life, my daily routine when I'm not creating videos. I am a normal person who has things to do around the house. So it's been great having you listen to me talk, and I hope that I will see you again soon. Give me a like if you think I did a good job today. Thank you. Bye-bye.